Becoming a digital marketer in the fitness niche can be a highly rewarding career choice. With the increasing popularity of online fitness programs and the growing demand for health and wellness content, there are ample opportunities for aspiring marketers to make their mark in this industry. To help you get started on your path to success, here are some steps to follow. First, it's crucial to educate yourself about digital marketing concepts and strategies. There are numerous online courses, tutorials, and resources tailored specifically to digital marketing in the fitness industry. By familiarizing yourself with these materials, you'll gain a solid foundation in digital marketing techniques and best practices. Next, take the time to understand the fitness industry as a whole. This involves staying up to date with the latest trends, understanding your target audience's preferences, identifying popular platforms where fitness enthusiasts gather, and conducting competitor analysis to see what strategies are currently working in the market. Building a strong online presence is essential for any digital marketer. Create your own website and social media profiles dedicated to fitness. These platforms will serve as hubs where you can showcase your knowledge, share valuable content, and engage with your audience regularly. Remember, consistency and quality are key when creating content that resonates with fitness enthusiasts. To truly excel in the fitness niche, consider specializing in fitness marketing. This involves understanding the unique challenges and opportunities within the industry. Tailoring your marketing strategies to address the specific needs and interests of fitness enthusiasts will set you apart from generic marketers. Networking is essential in any field, and the fitness industry is no different. Connect with fitness trainers, gym owners, nutritionists, and other professionals in the industry. Networking can help you gain valuable insights, form partnerships, and potentially attract clients who can benefit from your digital marketing expertise. Gaining hands-on experience is crucial to building your reputation as a digital marketer. Consider internships, freelance projects, or entry-level positions in digital marketing, agencies, or fitness-related businesses. This will not only provide you with practical experience, but also
allow you to showcase
real-world results
and accomplishments.
Remember that the digital marketing landscape is constantly evolving. Stay updated with the latest trends, algorithms, and tools in digital marketing to remain competitive in the field. Continuous learning and staying informed about industry changes are key to staying ahead. Building your portfolio is a crucial step in establishing yourself as a digital marketer in the fitness niche. Showcase your successful digital marketing campaigns, case studies, and results in your portfolio.
This will demonstrate
your expertise and attract potential clients or employers. Never stop learning and experimenting with new strategies and tactics. Digital marketing is a dynamic field, and continuous learning is essential for success. Stay curious, attend industry events and webinars, and seek out new opportunities for growth and development. Lastly, consider obtaining certifications in digital marketing or fitness-related areas to enhance
your credibility
and expertise in the field. Certifications can give you an edge and provide reassurance to potential clients or employers. By following these steps and staying dedicated to your goals, you can become a successful digital marketer specializing in the fitness niche. Embrace the challenges. Stay committed to learning and growth, and you'll pave your way to a rewarding career in the digital marketing industry.